Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Razer Kaira Pro with iPhone. And to do this, first let's open a Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. You can do it by scrolling down your notification bar. Then there's a Bluetooth, click and hold your finger onto the icon and move to Bluetooth settings. Inside, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, and now we can move to the headset. On the left earphone you can find a power key. Make sure that your headset is powered on. Then it might automatically enter pairing mode and you could see it on a device list. If not, we need to manually enter pairing mode, and you can do it by clicking on the Bluetooth button and holding it for a few seconds. It's located on the right earphone. Here it is, click on the headset and it should connect with your iPhone. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.